My name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make very easy pattern in Scandinavian style in Adobe Illustrator. Scandinavian style is one of the most loved and popular in the world. Its feature is the design in white, beige, pastel colors, the use of natural earth tones. But I'm also sure that you have seen Scandinavian style Christmas patterns and red shades predominate there. And why I decided to show you such a simple pattern? I want to show you that even the simplest designs are in demand and necessary if your goal to become a graphic designer who wants to sell your designs on stocks, for example on Adobe stock or Shutterstock, and don't know what to draw and where to start. Then you can start by drawing patterns in Scandinavian style. And remember guys, before you start to draw any theme, you need at first to learn and study the theme. And the best place for me to study the theme is Pinterest. Well guys, you go to Pinterest, write Scandinavian style and learn all details, patterns, colors, all that style, and after create your Scandinavian design. And so guys, now let's go to Adobe Illustrator and start to draw the pattern. This is size of my workspace and these are colors which I'm going to use in my tutorial. Okay guys, let's start. Here you see my leaf and we need to recreate that shape and all details. We need to create imperfect shape, so we double click on brush tool, we need that option, okay, and dark gray color. And with help of brush tool we are going to create new leaf. It will be imperfect, we need it. It's a perfect Scandinavian design when it's a little imperfect here. But of course you can create something perfect, it's the same will be great, but here we will create imperfect. And here you can smooth some details, it's too imperfect. Okay, the leaf is ready, it looks cool. And now let's take that light gray color and pen tool and create with help of pen tool shape like this, first point, second point, and then close the path. So create some shapes like this, it's very easy. Okay, and now let's fix them. Let's move them, let's rotate them to create more design view. Okay, now we need to take direct selection tool and select that point and round every point here. Just select point and hold and drag it around the corner. Okay, and now let's the same, let's a little move those details, and you can as well rotate them. You can make them a little bigger or smaller to make more interesting design. So as you see, it was very easy to draw that leaf. Okay, we are going to draw only one detail for the pattern, but when we create that pattern it will look interesting, and you can use such pattern, for example, for pillows or armchair or some picture. Just select these details and make them smaller and squeeze a little like that. Okay, now we can move that leaf here. Select this one, move here, and now we need to select that leaf and all details and group them. Go to Object, now go to Pattern and Make. Now let's select here hex by row, and here we need 250 and here 350. Okay, it will look perfect. Done. Okay, now our pattern here in the swatches panel. Now you can just delete that leaf or just move it here, select pattern and take any shape, for example rectangle tool, and you can create any rectangle with that pattern, or you can take ellipse tool and create some ellipse with that pattern, or you can take star tool and create pattern. Okay, or even you can make any shape what you want. Take pen tool and create shape, for example like this with that pattern, so you can make any shape with that pattern. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about graphic design.